Hi guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to share an anti-acne routine, especially a routine to treat your comedons that occur on your forehead, on your chin. So I think you can see I have so many comedons on my forehead. Earlier my whole forehead was covered with comedons and now I'm left with a few. I've been following a routine since a month now and it has helped me really well to reduce these comedons. I faced acne issues in this 2020, in the year 2020, and I treated my acne naturally, and my acne are not popping out much now, but I have an issue of comedon for which I'm using some remedies, some DIYs, and I'm going to tell you about that today. So if you want to treat your comedons and you want to gain some information, then keep on watching. So one thing you have to do that, please subscribe to my channel, like this video, and if you found this helpful, share it with your friends who are worried due to their comedons, acne issues and all of that. So guys, if you remember earlier I shared a kaolin clay mask with you guys. That's an amazing mask to treat these comedons because kaolin clay has properties that suppress down your acne, that suppress down your comedons, and it reduces all the oil from that. Apart from that, if you want something else that we can follow, a proper routine, then I'm going to show that you guys today. So for this routine, firstly you need to cleanse your face. I have already mentioned in my previous video that everything you have to start with a clean canvas, that is a clean face. So guys, if you have acne issues or pimple issues and you are from an oily skin type or a drier skin type, always try to use face washes that contains neem, tea tree, tulsi and antibacterial properties. So guys, the face wash here I am using is this face wash. This is Good Vibes Tea Tree Foaming Face Wash. I'm using this since 2 weeks and I'm quite liking it. I'm going to make a detailed review on this face wash because it has some cons also, and I'm going to share in that video. So what you have to do first just cleanse your face and after that I'm going to show you the next steps. So I'll just take a few pumps of this face wash on my hand. I'm going to cleanse my face. So guys, generally after washing your face, your skin should feel squeaky clean, but some face washes are really drying. Luckily this is not very drying, but after this ideally you should use a toner or a rose water to just refresh your skin, just balance the pH of your skin. Toners that I keep switching between are one is this rose water from Dabur Gulabri. Now this contains parabens, but I don't have any allergic reaction on my face. It claims it is paraben free, but no, it is not paraben free. I feel it has parabens because it has a slight burning sensation on your face. So if you're okay with this rose water, you can use this, and if you don't have much acne problem, then you can use this. And if you need a toner that will suppress your acne, that can work on your acne, then you have to use this Plum Green Tea Alcohol Free Toner. This is a very nice toner. When I had acne on the peak, I used this toner and this really helps. It has something left, but I'm not getting actively acne so much, so I'm not using this toner now. Now it comes with a cap, but I have replaced the cap with this spray bottle. So because it's just convenient, because I don't use cotton pads. So I'm just taking this rose water in my palm. You can also take in a cotton pad, that's your convenience and wish. I'm just going to rub this, and so after using a toner, ideally you should use a moisturizer, but today I'm going to share a routine with you guys. So I'm using my face mask here. So guys, for preparing the mask, what you have to do is just take your clean bowl, and I'm adding 1 spoon of Multani Mitti. You can see I'm adding this spoonful of Multani Mitti because Multani Mitti is really very nice in reducing your comedons. It has a drying property, and it will really reduce your acne. To this I'm going to add a little bit of sandalwood powder. So I just showed you I'm using all the powders from Alps Goodness because I feel their powders are very nice. I have used Multani Mitti from other brands also, but I feel they are very harsh, and this is really nice Multani Mitti. This is the purest form of Multani Mitti. And to this I'm going to add a little bit of neem and tulsi powder. Now I'm using neem and tulsi powder. You can use only neem powder, and if you don't have neem powder, you can just skip this, or you can do what you can do is just crush the neem leaves and add the neem paste into this. So I'm just going to add neem powder. I will add slightly lesser because I've added 2 powders already. So this much quantity I'm taking, and I'm adding neem powder to it. Now the fourth thing that I'm adding is optional, but if you want to, you can add, because this has magic in it. Now the ingredient in this is Kasturi Manjal. You can see this is not normal turmeric. Now this is a Good Vibes mask container. I finished the mask and I'm reusing it, because reuse, reduce, recycle, it's like that only, right? It's very necessary in life. So I'm using this Kasturi Manjal. Now guys, Kasturi Manjal is excellent if you have any pigmentation issues, any scars on your face. It's very nice to reduce that. But if you feel you don't have this, and you can use kitchen turmeric too, but I feel that will stain your face. It has stained my face so many times, so I don't want you guys to do that. So I'll just add the pinch of Kasturi Manjal. Now Kasturi Manjal again I'm using from Elf's Goodness. They call it Amba Haldi or like that, and I showed this Amba Haldi to you guys in my I think so in one videos I showed you. So after mixing all the powders, your mask looks like this, and now we're going to mix it. So I'm mixing, I don't need to show it, right? So I'm just mixing all these things, dry ingredients together. And now for mixing medium, I'm going to use, I have two options. I have a skin that is combination slightly towards drier side. So I will use milk. You can use rose water if you have normal skin. Or if you have oily skin, use curd, and rose water will also. So guys, done making my mask, and your face mask will look like this after making it. Now I usually like to keep my face mask a little bit thicker, because I feel thick face mask sit on your face very well. So before applying this mask, I'm going to steam my face. Guys, what steaming does is, it will just suppress the bacteria, not bacteria, sorry. It will suppress your pimple down, it will suppress your comedone, and gradually the pus or the thing filled inside your comedone or pustule, it will gradually melt, and it will dry it out. So after a pimple is dried out, it's very easily gone. So that's why steaming is recommended. And as I mentioned, if you don't like steaming, you can use foam company. So I'm just going to apply this mask now. Now guys, this mask has been a game changer for me. I'm using this mask religiously for a month. I use this 3 times in a week, and I think I've made this very thick. Don't make this much thick. I like to use thick mask. So guys, this mask, just I was mentioning, this mask has helped me really well in my acne. In when I had active acne also, I used to use this mask, and this is very nice mask. So I'm quickly going to tell you what I added in this mask and what it do to your face. So guys, firstly I've added multani mitti in this mask. Now multani mitti is an excellent ingredient to just dry out any pimples from your face. because I don't have any acne or comedons on my neck, and I have specially made this mask to treat my comedons on my forehead. So I'm just concentrating it on my face where I have comedons. Or if you feel that you don't have problem on your entire face, you just apply this mask on your forehead, and your job will be done. So guys, after applying this mask, wait for 10 to 15 minutes and just let this mask sit on your face, let it be dry. Guys, remember, don't keep on speaking after applying mask. It's a very bad habit. My mom keeps on speaking even after applying mask. I tell her to please be quiet, please be quiet. She does not. So just be quiet after applying. Let the mask sit on your face, relax for a bit, and wash it off. So I'll meet you after washing this mask. So yeah guys, I'm done washing my face mask and I'm again patting my face dry. And I think camera can't capture much, but I'm definitely feeling that my comedons are suppressed a little bit and my face is feeling really fresh. So guys, include this routine in your skincare and you will see the difference. And especially if you have comedon problem, like I mentioned that I have comedon problem. So earlier I had full forehead full of comedons and now I'm left with this much. So this will help you not only in your comedons, in your active acne as well. I have used this mask in my active acne as well. And not only the mask guys, the whole procedure that I showed, that is cleansing, toning, steaming and masking. Now it's up to you that when you're using toner, you can use toner after cleansing, you can use toner after masking. Now I like to use toner immediately after I washed my face. And guys, steaming is also optional, but if you do steaming, you will get the results faster. I have seen, earlier I don't used to steam my face, but ever since I'm steaming my face, I really feel that my pores are opening up and all the dirt from them are being removed, because clogged pores are the major reason of your acne, comedons and everything. So if your pores are clean, everything will be okay in your face. So just take steam and then apply this mask. And if you want to purchase anything that I used today in this mask, like powders or face wash or anything, whatever product I used, I'll mention its link in the description box, so don't forget to check it out. Guys, I want to mention here one thing, that I have not used any salicylic acid or glycolic acid or peels in this routine. So this will not give you magic in one use or 2 uses or a week. I'm not saying that you reduce your acne or comedons in 1 week. Use this routine till you get your desired results, but this will definitely help you guys. I'm using this routine since a month and I'm loving this routine. I have been religious, especially at night I do this routine. In day, I feel you don't have time to apply mask and steam and all of that, but night, you can do this in night, and overnight your skin will repair and it will heal. So it will help you in reducing any problem on your face. So yeah guys, this was all for today's video. If you found this video helpful, do subscribe to my channel, like this video, share it with your friends who are also worried due to their acne, comedons and all the skin problems. So we'll meet you very soon in the next video. Till then, bye bye and Jai Shri Krishna.